Have you ever been interested in editing a video with cool motion blur effects? Today, I'm going to teach you how you can use opacity masks to do this in Premiere Pro. Follow along. So obviously, first step will always be to open a new project, and you're going to drag in the clips that you want to edit. I'm going to be using this clip right here from a music video. The first thing you're going to want to do, just as good measure, is cut out the part that you're going to be using the opacity mask on. Just for this clip right here, these few seconds, I'm going to be applying the opacity mask to that. Now, you're going to open, and it should already be open, but it's going to be the effects controls. From here, you're going to navigate to the opacity tab, which is usually also already open. Now, once you're here, you're going to see this pen-looking tool. It's called the Free Draw. Once you click on it, it creates a new mask. You can use this to draw around in the, I guess I should say, the viewport. Now, you can make this as detailed as you want, but it shouldn't be a crazy amount of detail. It should just about cover it, you know? You can also add curves, but that's unimportant right now. I'm just trying to... Now, what you're going to do is you're going to duplicate it. You can either copy it, or you can hold down Alt and drag it up. Now there's going to be two of them. What you're going to do is on one of them, you're going to click Invert. And you're going to select the mask again and drag it out as such. Now on this top one, you're going to do the actual work. Now, you can already add effects by going to the effects panel over here. Not the same as the effects controls, but the effects panel. I'm going to do directional blur because I'm doing motion blur. And drag that into here, and that should be applied right there. It's, as you can see, only in that area that I've selected. Now, play it, and oh no, he leaves the entire area. To fix this, you simply need to use this thing known as the mask path. Click on it, this little clock icon, toggle animation. Now, say move a few frames forward, add a new keyframe. I'm gonna make this a little bit bigger. Add keyframe. You can move it forward a bit, expand it a little bit, make it fit. Now, it's not perfect, but you can see how it sort of follows. And I'll show you the finished result in just a second. Here is the quote-unquote finished result. There's some motion blur on him. It looks like he's running a bit faster in this clip. You can even speed it up if you wanted to, make it look a bit better, but for now, it'll do for the example. You can see here, it looks like he has motion blur. Now, before we go, I do have some tips if you want to improve beyond this basic motion blur, as I've used in this example. If you want, say you have a motion blur effect, and you want it to blend in a bit more, there's something up here, it says mask feather. That's how much it blends in. Set it to 0, you can very clearly see the line. Set it to 100, and suddenly the line is not so visible. And I already mentioned this earlier, but try to keep a simple shape around your object. If you need to, you can add more nodes to your mask later. Another very, very useful tip is do not use the auto track feature. It's a feature which is supposed to automatically track the movement on your mask for you, so you don't have to manually do it, but it is not good. Highly, strongly recommend against trying to make that work. I hope this video helped. If you learned anything, please drop a like and comment what you're going to use this new knowledge for. That's it, folks. See ya.